Hi guys, this is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Pinterest inspired burlap bag flower holder Dollar Tree sign. So come with me. I'm going to start with Dollar Tree sign. You can have anything on the other side, doesn't matter. You can paint it white if you like. A small piece of burlap with your glue gun. Just glue down the side edges. Doesn't have to be perfect. Attach that onto your sign. I like to fold down the top a little bit where the frayed edges are. Close up the bottom. I like to take two buttons and maybe with the burlap that's frayed, tie it through so that it looks a little finished. If you tape the end of the twine, it'll be easier to feed it through. Then I just put a little drop of glue and just tie a single knot. Trim off. Leave like a little 1/4 inch tail. Do the same for the second button. Put a little drop of glue and just tie a single knot. Trim. And then just glue the two buttons onto the corners, just for decoration. Glue the top part down. I like to take the wire out so it's not so stiff. For part of the bow, I just like little pieces of mixed ribbon. Use pieces of lace, pieces of jute, or cotton string, anything that has that same feel. I even have pieces of muslin, which is like a thin drop cloth or just a thin cotton. Just put that in. So just cinch together. You can make it with a loop or without a loop, it's up to you. And then just tie the bundle together. Attach it here and just let it dangle. For the burlap bag, I like to put a little paper towel, a tissue. Could be just a small piece, anything, just to give it a little bit of fullness. And then I have this little clip-on sign, put it right there. Gonna use a little paint pen, but you can use white paint if you want, chalk. I'm gonna tie a small bow on the bottom of that. Again, I'm taking out the wire. If you like it stiff, you can leave the wire in. I'm just gonna glue that to the bottom here. flowers, just use whatever you have on hand. And just make sure to cut it down if it's too long. Then for the top, I like knots on each side. So I'll knot it maybe 5 times. And then I also like to glue it down. There you have it. You have a cute little sign for different seasons. In the fall, you could change out all the flowers and the sign. You can say happy fall, welcome. You can say whatever you want. Okay, thank you for joining me today. And please, if you like this and you would like to see others, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.